Happy birthday, ma'am!
Happy 18th birthday ha! Sana mag-aaral ng mabuti. Tapos ka ng pag-aaral.
Huwag naman, tangis! Bakit naman kasi ka? Sige nga kaya eh!
Ayaw mo yan? Na! Happy birthday! Happy birthday na
Birthday pa. Sana. Hindi ko kaya. Alam nyo, maharap namin sa iyo. Mag-aaral mo na mabuti. Pag nag-problema ka, sabi ka sa mga lola mo, sabi ka dito lang ka na sa'yo. Bless you. Itungahan si Manny Nancy. Itung. Nilindugan pati ni Jenny.
Happy birthday. Awis ko sa iyo, sana mag-aral ka mabuti. Makapagtapos ka kasi mahirap yung walang hinabo sa panahon ngayon. Kaya yung mga boyfriend, okay lang basta hanggang ganyan. Kasi ang hirap mag-asawa na wala kang hinapos, ang hirap maghanap ng trabaho. Kaya kailangan magtapos talaga. Kahit hindi man yung natapos mo ang nahanap ng trabaho, basta may trabaho. Sa lahat, lagi kang mag-pray kay God. Ano ba problema hindi lumasol, walang posible sa Panginoon. Lahat ng bagay na gusto mong makamit, isang guri mo lang kay God. Kasi napakabuti ng Panginoon lalo tayo ginagabayan. Higit sa lahat, yung lagi kang magasol. Kaya God bless pa. Ayusin mo pag-aaral. Mag-ibabayin ka kami ng mga papa. Okay.
Maning.
Kasi enjoy naman sa mga kuya. Ansan, happy birthday pa. Kasanggan mo yung sinabi niya sa'yo. Tapos, alam mo naman na magaling ka, yung stop kita lagi sa Facebook. Galingan mo kasi yung college life, parang wala pa yung level na parang mahirap tayo. Basta kahit gano'ng kahirap, mag-focus ka lang sa
target mo, sa goal mo na dapat after 4 years, graduate na ako. After 4 years, dapat ganito na ako. Kasi kahit anong distractions, yung mga boyfriend, sabi nila okay lang talaga yan. Pero dapat, focus ka lang kung ano yung gusto mong makamit after nung ilang taon na pag-aaral mo. Nandito lang lagi si Ninang pag may kailangan ka. Tapos, ingat ka lagi. Tapos, sabi nila na si God lagi lang natin i-center sa buhay natin. Kasi kahit gaano kahirap, basta nandyan siya, kaya. Okay?
Nasaan na yun? Paano kayo sa'yo na?
Oh, JP ka na! Ay, si JP!
Siyam ka daw ka bumili.
Hello, Pao. Gulat ka ba sa surprise nila, Pao? Alam mo na gawin ko. Ilang bat-bat. Wish ko lang sa'yo, Pao, matupad mo tayo ng pangalan. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-wish pa, kaya mo naman yan. Kahapon sa'yo din ka pala, pero ngayon, wish na nga ako. December 31, natulog ako ng puyat. Just pagkagising mo. 21 na walis talaga ng araw. Siguro yung
Talaga biya. Makaabot sa taas pala na may nasubol yung baga. Nagaling na gayon. Tayo guys. Pinit nga pati si
Maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I haven't moved on since then. Cause it's 12:51 and I feel my feelings were gone. Dry these tears tonight, cause you're moving on, and now that's strong to hold on. And I'm good, the sight gets brighter, and my eyes begin to tire. I'm slowly drowning in memories of heaven, and I know it shouldn't matter. As my heart begins to shatter, I'm left to wonder just how it should have been. Yeah, 12:51, and I thought my feelings were gone. But lying on my bed, I'm not thinking you again. And the moon shines so bright, but I gotta try these tears tonight, 'cause you're moving on, and I'm not that strong to hold on. 'Cause I'm moving wrong, that I can't move on through this song. So much stronger.
Sige na, dali na.
Mag-ingat ka.
Ano pa Parang kurang yan.
I see your monsters, I see your pain. Tell me your problems, I'll chase them away. I'll be your lighthouse, I'll make it okay. When I see your monsters, I'll stand there so brave and chase them all away. In the dark, we stand apart. We never see that the things we need are staring right at us. You just wanna hide, never show your smile. Stand alone when you need someone. It's the hardest thing of all to see. Are the bad memories? Take your time, you'll find me. I see your monsters, I see your pain. Tell me your problems, I'll chase them away. I'll be your lighthouse, I'll make it
Pangasar talaga to eh.
when I see your monsters, I'll stand there so brave and chase them all away. I can see the sky beautiful tonight. But when you breathe, why can't you see that the clouds are in your hand? I will stay near, no need to fear. And when you need to talk it out with someone, you can trust what you see. All the bad memories. Take your time, you'll find me. I see your monsters, I see your pain. Tell me your problems, I'll chase them away.
Sabi na magawa na ito ng video.
I'll be your lighthouse, I'll make it okay. When I see your monsters, I'll stand there so brave and chase them all away. I'll chase them all away. You got the chance to see the light, even in the darkest night. And I will be here like you were for me. So just let me in. 'Cause I see your monsters, I see your pain. Tell me your problems, I'll chase them away. I'll be your lighthouse, I'll make it okay. When I see your monsters, I'll stand there so brave. I see your monsters, I see your pain. Tell me your problems, I'll chase them away.
Wala
I'll
din
be
yan yan.
your lighthouse, I'll make it okay.
Udangan na pumasok na eh. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Hindi ko alam basta
I see your monsters, I see your pain. Tell me your problems, I'll chase them away. I'll be your lighthouse, I'll make it okay. When I see your monsters, I'll stand there so brave and chase them all away. In the dark, we stand apart. We never see that the things we need are staring right at us. You just wanna hide, never show your smile. Stand alone when you need